Friends, a irregular verb does not follow any normal pattern for the construction of past simple, the second form, and past participle, the third verb form, that we are going to discuss in this video. Since there is no specific formula, English speakers have no choice but to memorize each one of the verb forms. We have compiled a playlist for you that includes a series featuring all irregular verbs. You can find the playlist in the description section of this video. Friends, in English, verbs have different forms that are used in various grammatical contexts. Here we are discussing about the 5 key verb forms. The 5 verb forms are, first, the root form or base form. Second, past simple form. Third, past participle form. Fourth, third person singular present form, when we see verbs ending in s, es, or ies. And the fifth form is present participle form. Let's explore how these verb forms are used in English. First form is the base form, also known as root form or infinitive. This is the simplest form of a verb, without any special ending. The root form of a verb appears in all versions of the present simple tense except the third person singular, as modal verbs and in imperative sentences. Examples of base form in present simple tense, except third person singular number. I run. We run. They run. You run. My friends run. After modal verbs. Examples: she can swim very well. He may arrive late. It might rain later. In imperative sentence. Examples: go back to playground. Please take a seat. Find the reason. Second form is past simple. This form is used to represent an action or event that took place in the past. Example: he saw a movie yesterday. Mom went to the supermarket last Sunday. They came to the party late. Third form is past participle form. This form is used in perfect tenses, in passive sentences, and sometimes as an adjective. Let's see example of past participle in perfect tense. They have finished their training, present perfect. They had finished their training, past perfect. By next year, they will have finished their training, future perfect. Now let's see how past participle, the third form that we are discussing, is used in passive sentences. Examples: the cake was eaten by the children. The message was sent yesterday. The novel was written by a famous author. Past participle forms are used as adjective. Let's see some examples. The burnt toast was uneatable. The fallen leaves covered the ground. The written instructions were clear. Fourth form is ses, is form. We see this verb form in present simple tense for third person singular subjects, he, she, it, etc. This form often ends in s or s. In simple present tense, most verbs are in base form, example write, bring, take, buy. However, the third person singular subject, example he, she, it, Sarah, my friend, etc., takes a s at the end of the verb. Example write becomes writes. Here are some examples of how we use fourth form in sentences. He reads a book before bed. She plays the piano beautifully. Sarah loves chocolate ice cream. Fifth form, the ing form, is known as present participle form. This form is used in continuous or progressive tenses as gerund. Gerund is a noun ending in ing that has been made from a verb, and sometimes as an adjective. Let's discuss how the present participle form is used in continuous tense. Here are some examples. He is writing. Present continuous. He was writing. Past continuous. He will be writing. Future continuous. Now let's see how the present participle forms are used as gerund. A gerund functions as a noun or object in a sentence. Gerund has been made from a root verb and ends in ing. That is, root verb plus ing. Here are some examples of gerund. Swimming is my favorite hobby. He enjoys reading books in his free time. Running every morning keeps her fit. And finally, let's observe how a present participle is used as an adjective to describe a noun. Here are some examples of present participles as adjectives. The running water was cold. The crying baby needed to be comforted. The rising sun painted the sky with colors. In these examples, the present participle adjectives describe the nouns, water, baby and sun. Please visit the description section of this video to find detailed explanations and examples. Now let's start practicing all 5 verb forms for each irregular verb and memorize them. Access the playlist from the description section of this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.